Hey guys, very good morning, Fabio here, and welcome to a new daily market outlook. If you have any questions whatsoever in this video, make sure to join the Discord server completely free down in the link below. And without further ado, let's just dive into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. So to begin with, of course, the dollar index, and looking currently at the dollar index, what we can see is that yesterday we started rejecting this area of 4-hour supply. If we then dive in towards the 1 hour, what we can see is that we still also have a 1 hour area of supply within this area of 4-hour supply, which is located at 93.797. We could still hit that area of supply before moving further down in towards the lows. So furthermore, we kind of have like this ascending structure, currently reacting to this third trendline touch. I personally wouldn't be surprised if we just move up a little bit higher and then start crashing back down in towards the lows, seeing that channel maturements occur. Going in towards the daily, however, and looking at the daily, what can we then see? Well, it does look like the dollar index could see a push up higher, maybe in towards, let's say, this basing candle located over here at around 93.947. However, I must say that the dollar index is not that clear, in my opinion. Furthermore, if we look at the overall structure on the dollar index, we can see this obvious descending trend line situated over here, and we kind of are breaking out of that trend line. So it's kind of a battle between, okay, are we going to move up higher in towards, let's say, daily supply after this descending trend line break, or are we going to see channel maturement on the lower time frame and see that further push in towards the lows after rejecting that area of 4-hour supply? For now, it's going to be a waiting game for me personally. What I believe is that we're going to be trading in between mainly 93.797, and if we were to move down lower, 93.653 being your first area of support, as we can currently see, and after that 93.526 will be our second level of support. If we do move up higher, then you guys over here can see the levels that I will be looking at: 93.879, excuse me, and 94.171, and after that 94.370, with of course the strongest area of supply being 94.512. So yep, that's the dollar index for you. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar as of now is currently situated within 4-hour supply. If we quickly look at the 4-hour, what we can then see is that we have some supply situated over here at around 0.74875. Going in towards the daily at the moment, what can we then see? Well, the daily is, for me personally, very unclear. Very dirty price action here to our left, not very clear areas of imbalance within the market, so it's kind of hard to really properly analyze that time frame. So when that happens, I just prefer to stick with the daily, or with the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. So looking at the 4-hour and the 1-hour, what can we then conclude? Well, we have these levels, guys. These are our levels which we're going to be looking at: 0.75399 and 0.75050, with us currently being in 4-hour supply. So two things could happen: either we start rejecting over here on the double top with a fake out on this swing high, see further downside because we are currently situated in 4-hour supply. But if you want a better entry for shorts, just wait for price to move up higher in towards, let's say, 0.75050, or even up higher in towards 0.75399. Of course, this does depend on the kind of reaction that we get from these levels. We do need to see clear rejection. However, we are currently situated in 4-hour supply, so let's see if we already react to this level of 0.74875. So yep, that's Aussie dollar. Just looking bearish for me at the moment, not really looking for any long setups after this break in structure. So let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, so euro dollar currently looking at the 4-hour, because the daily is as well looking very messy. This level which I gave out at the beginning of this week, 1.16217, is currently holding as an area of support. For the rest, very choppy, just consolidating, to be honest, over here, as we can see. So now if we just look at purely levels of supply and demand on the 1-hour, I would say, okay, up here we have some supply at 1.16612, and down below over here we have some demand situated at this level over here, 1.16273. So let's say we do see that push back down in towards the lows, we could start looking for some potential longs back up in towards 1.16612. But if we do push up higher, then just keep an eye out. Of course, over here we have a lot of basing candles which could act as an area of resistance, but the preferable level is 1.16612 for further shorts in towards the lows. These are kind of like the levels that I'll just be looking at on the 1 hour, but again, euro dollar not my favorite pair at the moment. So let's head over to our next pair, which is pound dollar. And pound dollar, guys, so pound dollar is reacting to daily supply over here at 1.38026. If we dive in towards the 4 hour, what can we then also see? Well, what you can then see is that we had a perfect fake out on that high of 1.38338. At the moment, we are just finding our support over here at this level of 1.37818, which is our major area of support for the moment being. If we can break that level, then we will see this level over here, 1.37330. That is our next level of support. Let me just turn off the basing candles for you guys. That's the next level that I'll be looking to trade towards, as that is a very strong area of 4 hour demand. Furthermore, looking at the 1 hour is looking bearish as of now. So let's just see what happens, guys. I'm very curious to see if we can break through support, feel this clean move over here to our left, and start moving in towards 1.37330. So yep, that's pound dollar for you. Let's head over to our next pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, guys, so Kiwi dollar currently pulling back just like Aussie dollar. Not very clear. We are situated within daily supply, so let's see if this is just an intraday pullback before seeing further downside in towards lows. Once again, could see a pullback, let's say in towards 0.618, as we have supply situated over there on the 4 hour time frame over here at 0.71884, alongside a very nice swing high over here. So I'm just going to be waiting for Kiwi dollar to move up higher and then look for rejection at that 618 fib to then short this bad boy further down in towards lows. That's what I'm going to be looking for. So yep, that's Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to gold. And gold, guys, look at gold. Gold is currently rejecting my level of 1794.340 to absolute perfection. I'll just be waiting for the 4 hour close probably, or just looking at the 1 hour and then diving in towards a lower time frame to see if we can take any scalp trades. This is a nice area of resistance which could push price down lower. However, do not forget, we could always still move up higher in towards this area of the swing high, at around 1800.645. So either a fake out on that high, or if we see rejection already at this level over here, we could then start seeing more downside. So make sure to keep an eye on the lower time frame. We just hit that level, so it could still take some time before setups form, but just keep an eye on the current levels, which I marked out over here, with 1794.340 being main resistance, after that 1800.645. And if we were to move down in towards lows, then I will start looking at 1769.550 with a in between level of 1774.870. So yeah, guys, that's that for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to join the Discord server, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.